Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the monthly candle, it's finished here. The one here, each candle of those ones, it represent 1 month. And the one, that green one here, it represent 1 month, guys. As you see it. It's very, very powerful candle. The last month it came that one, and we tell it to you. If you remember, we told you that one is an inverted hammer. We need next to it a green candle, guys, and that's what happened here, as you see it, guys, in that level where we are. So for long-term investment and long-term investors, it's the right time, guys. The only thing I told you, if you got the just an example, guys, if you got $100, buy 50 now and 50 leave it as a backup. If the Bitcoin is going to fall down more, you buy at discount lower price. And as I told you, me I got as a backup, I got to buy at 15k and 12k if it fall down more. But here it's showing is it in very good condition. The only thing, you wait in the next month. If it came a candle and closing above that here, the one here, it's the 50 moving average. If it close here, that 50, you leave it for backup. You buy it if it close above that level here, guys. Because here in the monthly, he tried to give us here like a flag like that, as you see it, guys. So it's need to come and to break for us up here. That's when us we knowing is going to reverse, guys. I think everything is too clear. And let me to show you something else. As you see it, guys, that's why me I told you leave it as a backup, because that 50 moving average, as you see it in the monthly, it use every time it reacting like a very stronger support. At this time we break it down, and also we are lower than the 50 moving average here in the monthly, guys. So it need at least to come inside. That's why I told you, you buy and you leave like a backup. If it fall down more, you buy in. I think everything is too clear here. And let me show you something else in the monthly chart. Here, guys, that indicator of us, as you see it, every time when you touch in here in the monthly, reverse, and even now we are there, guys, as you see it. If we bring it like that, from here, is it that time? From here, is it in 2018? Here, in 2015, guys. It's the same thing, and every time when you touch in here, that level, also we got here in the middle, it's showing a rejection. So now, you are here again, guys. I think it's the right time for you to buy. And as you remember, look here how the Bitcoin is working, guys. Look here and look now. You are in another one, guys. Every time he came to the last high, which is here, now we are in the last high here. So that's when I told you buy something and you leave something as a backup. If it's falling down more, you buy with a discount lower, guys. I think everything is too clear. So for long time investment, you buy a little bit and you leave something for next time. Maybe that one is going to be the bottom here where we are. Then from there we're going to see Bitcoin is going higher, or another scenario, maybe from here is going to go down till 10k, because no one in this planet, guys, can tell you exactly where is the market it will go and where it's going to bounce from. No one can tell you that. If anyone knows that, would have been one of the billionaires of the world. No one can tell you that exactly is going to bounce from here. Also using our analysis, guys, and that's what we're doing. As you see it, we analyze the past like that, and now we are in the same level, guys, as you see it. I think everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, you, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Why, my friend? Go now and subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates. It's very, very simple, my friend. It's not a hard step. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in something new, you're going to be notified. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing. Or you can even join us in Telegram, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now, let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. The coming news for tomorrow, guys, as you see it, what we got here. By the way, all the times here, they are with GMT, guys. So we got here for the Aussie. Also, here we are not in the Forex. Then we got PMI of UK. Then we got the ISM manufacturing of USA. That one is very, very, very important. Then we got that one, the job opening. That one, what can we say? That one is going to tell you how is it the unemployment rate is going to come, if is it good or not, because that one is like a primary indicator for the unemployment rate. So if that one came negative or positive, it's going to tell you how it's going to come the unemployment rate. And as I told you, the Fed, he wanted to be between 4 till 5. So let's wait and see what's going to happen, guys. And another thing here, guys, our friend, that one also every day we follow it. What it's saying here, the table of us, as you see it, all US stocks, they are falling down, guys. Same like the Bitcoin. Even the Nasdaq today fell down by 1.03%. Then the VIX, that's our friend. What it's saying here, today it go up by half point, as you see it here. And today it's 25.88. That's what me have been telling you. Yes, now I told you to buy the half of your capital and you leave the half, but the VIX, it's still very, very risky, guys, as you see it. So as I told you, you can buy now the half and you leave the half. And another thing here, the dollar today, was it showing us? It's 111, guys. It go up a little bit. So let's wait in that week what is going to happen. I think everything is too clear here in the news. Plus, and that's what BlackRock saying today. They said about the Fed interest rate. They said that month is going to be the last month. They are going to add 75 point or 0.75 like that. Then they said the next month they are going to add only 0.50. And we need to wait in what the Jerome Powell of the Federal Reserve is going to say, because that one is going to affect a lot the market, because he need to tell us if they are going to ease a little bit or they are going to tighten it more. So the press conference of Jerome Powell is going to do a big impact to the market, guys. I think everything is too clear. Then there is some news. It's coming from China. Hong Kong authority, they are going to allow buying and selling the Bitcoin there. And they are going to give license to some exchanges. And that one is a very good news, because as we know, majority of the volume it came from the Asia or Asian market, and that is going to enter a lot of volume to the Bitcoin. Plus China, they started closing some companies, and because on some states because of the virus. I think everything is too clear till here. And that week, as I told you, it's coming a lot of earning MicroStrategy of Michael Saylor's, Coinbase, PayPal, a lot of big companies, and that is going to affect a lot the crypto market, guys, and even FTX. So you need to make a close eye on those things. Everything is too clear, guys. Here I don't want to make the video too long. Now it's going back to the daily, guys, to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the daily, guys. Here the daily candle is closed, and how it's closed here like an indecision candle, as you see it. And what I told you depend on the Monday. So guys, here I tell it to you in Friday, guys. I told you Bitcoin is going to stay here, then after that you're going to see it going up to 23k or 25k, and that's what it's doing here exactly, guys, as you see it. And here that inside bar also we show you before hasn't been broken. So now you need to wait in here. It's going to block. Tomorrow is going to be broken. And 80% you're going to see the Bitcoin is going higher, guys. So here in the daily, it's still more going up, guys, because even that candle here, that's what telling us, and the volume here, sellers, it's very, very low down here. As you see it, there is no volume. So tomorrow you're going to see the Bitcoin going to 23k or 25k. All that week, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are subscribers. Smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, helping us. You know that channel without you is can growing up. So please support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicator, guys, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's still here sideways. But the good news, as I tell it to you, also here we break in that long-term trend, that one we've been following, it's going down. Now we break it here in that level, and the good news also here we are in the control of the bulls, not the control of the bears, guys. So that one is a very good news here. I'm talking here about technical analysis, not fundamental, guys. Fundamental, we need to wait in the Fed what it's going to say, because the Fed is going to bring to us good news or bad news depending on what they think in those people. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the pictures to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember what I told you, we came like that, and we're doing like that, and we're doing like that. So the Bitcoin is giving us here a triangle, and as you see in here, it's respecting the 200 moving average here. It couldn't break it like how it happened here when it's break it here. Look what it done here. So let me show it to you. What it done here, it go up, then he came down here and respecting the 200 moving average. Same thing here in that level, guys. By the way, that one not the 200 moving average, that's my bad, sorry. That one is the 50 moving average. As you see it, it's respecting it very, very, very well. When it's break it here, it's still respecting it, guys. So now, my view personally, I think from here is going to go higher, but it's need to come and to break for us that last high here in the 4 hours. And as I told you here in the 4 hours, you need to make it like that. You saw it how it draw with me, and like that, you came to that one, and that one, and that one. And you're connecting them, those dots, and in the top you're connecting those dots here. So I think tomorrow is going to come and to break for us here. If it's breaking for us here in that level, you're going to see Bitcoin at 23k, guys. So Bitcoin is still in bullish, going up. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember me, I told you we got here a divergence like that. That will pushing the Bitcoin to fall down. But look at it. He touching here. Then very quick he go out from it here in that level. That's man, the balls they still very stronger, guys, and that's what me I show you in the volume in the daily. There is not a lot of people they sell in those days, and that's good news. So we think now we need to make a trend line like that, and we waiting when it's going to be broken here. Then we enter long, guys, and I'm going to come back to you by another video after European market close. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, our other indicator, guys. As you see it, we've been here at the overbought area. And if you remember in the last videos, I told you we used to have here a divergence. And now here, it's showing to us as if it's going to give us here a double top. So let's wait in now. Either it's going to come and to break for us that level here, as you see it, where I'm going to start it for you. Like that. Either it's going to come to break for us that level here, and it's going to go till here, till 23k or 25k. Or another story from here is going to come and to break for us that small wage us we draw in here. Like that. If it's break it down, that means it's going to go down till the 200 moving average. Then after that, it's going to go higher. But for the daily and long-term investment is the right time for you to buy, guys, because there is a big portion up coming, guys. Remember my word, everything is too clear here in 4 hours, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, what did I told you here? We used to have, I told you we have here like that. A wage, it's need either to break up or to break down. It doesn't break in down and even in the top. And the bad news here in 30 minutes also we are lower than the 200 moving average. So there is no buying here in 30 minutes. Unless if it came and breaking for us that level here. It's need to come and to break for us here, guys. At the right time for us to enter. Till now there is no buying here in 30 minutes. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what it given us here in 30 minutes. Look here with me and look here, guys. What you see in here in 30 minutes. That a very, very, very clear divergence, guys, here in 30 minutes. Yes or no? What that indicating? That is indicating the market is going to reverse, guys. Yes or no? Did we got any price action here? The only price action we have is that one. Look at that. You came like that, you drawing a wedge like that. If it came and breaking for you here, you enter long, guys, here in 30 minutes. Remember my word, there is a big pump coming, guys, to the Bitcoin. Remember my word. I'm going to come back to you after European market close. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.